Jesse?
Hi,
how are you doing?
Good.
Great. So take us through some of the power supplies you have here.
We have the Taiji series, which is 80 plus titanium level efficiency,
Okay.
which means the efficiency is over 94%.
Wow, 94%.
Yeah, and wattage we have 1650 watt and 1300 watt.
So this is the 1600?
Yes,
50 watt.
1650.
Look at
yes.
the connectors on this.
Yeah.
Well, we have literally...
We provide two 12V-2x6 connectors.
Yeah. Wow. Let me just flip this around so you can see. So you have 12V-2x6 connectors, two of them there. And it's a total of 8 8-pin PCI power connectors there. Standard 24-pin for the motherboard. 6-pin SATA ports, and this is the boost. What's this? The 5-volt boost.
Okay, so when the 5-volt boost switch to on, the 5-volt regulation will up to 5.15 millivolt.
Right. Okay.
So if you plug many storage devices from the motherboard, the voltage will not drop too much.
Right, yeah, we know about the voltage drops. If you have a serious voltage drop, your system could crash. So this gives it a boost on the 5-volt.
Yeah.
Especially if you plug a lot of USB devices, which uses the 5-volt line. Okay, cool.
Right. So speaking of the 2V-2x6 connectors, we have a sensor pin here because we build a thermal sensor in the cable. When they plug into the video card, when it sends the temperature going too high, we'll send the signal back to this signal to pin. So the power supply will just shut off to prevent a graphic card connector.
So let's show us the cable in more detail. Okay. You can see the here you go, the 12V-2x6 cable, and you have the sensor right there.
Here and a signal pin.
This little sensor right here. Okay, and it sends the signals to that little connector there, which goes on to that sensor connector there. That will help hopefully save your graphics card from melting. Okay, cool. All right, and moving on, we have the
this year we
ITX.
have a new SFX, and it's a platinum efficiency.
Yeah, so this is the new SFX power supply from ASRock with platinum efficiency. Look at the compact size on this. This is tiny. This is how many watts? 1,000 watts. Oh, wow, 1,000 watts in this tiny
but mighty.
Tiny but mighty. It has the standard, the 12V-2x6 connector for your graphics card, but also the thermal sensor, right?
Yes,
right there.
exactly.
And 4 8-pin PCI power connectors, and 2 6-pin, and then your standard 24 UTX power. Alright, so this is the new SFX power supply from ASRock with 1,000 watts. Alright, moving on then, we have this the SL1200 and with 1,000, also doing the 850, and we've actually reviewed this. This is the Steel Legend one, right?
Yes, Steel Legend, our best-selling branding.
Right. So yeah, we actually reviewed this. Check out the review on our website. The Steel Legend SL1200, also the 1,000, and also available in the 850 as well. And then you're more of the budget-friendly.
Yes, budget-friendly.
This is a Pro
Cost
850.
Efficiency, yes.
750 and also 650.
And we offer in gold and bronze efficiency.
All right, excellent. All right. So of course we talked about the cable earlier, and here's a kind of a standalone.
This one is 90-degree connector for retail pack.
Okay, so this one you will be selling standalone retail.
Yes, standalone retail.
Excellent, that's very good.
Yeah, so the default setting is 180-degree, which is more common, but some users may need a 90-degree L shape.
All right, so yeah, your standard is your just standard flat 16 pin, and then you have the 90-degree submat for your graphics card there. Very good, so you'll be able to get these standalone retail from ASRock. Excellent.